Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Only Study. নমস্কাৰ মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল, তোমালোকক মোৰ এই Only Study নামৰ YouTube চেনেলটোলৈ স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আজি মই তোমালোকৰ লগত আলোচনা কৰিবলৈ ওলাইছোঁ সানবিম ইংলিছ ৰিডাৰ 2ৰ হবিজ লেসন 3ৰ কুৱেশ্যন আনসাৰবোৰ। এই লেসনটো মই তোমালোকৰ লগত অসমীয়াৰ এক্সপ্লেনেশ্যনবোৰ আলোচনা কৰিছোঁ। যদি চোৱা নাই ভিডিঅ'টো চাই ল'বা। আহা এতিয়া কুৱেশ্যন আনসাৰবোৰ ডিসকাস কৰোঁ। 1 নম্বৰ A, what is a hobby? Answer, activities which give us fun and joy are hobbies or something that we do regularly in our free time. B, what do hobbies give us? Answer, hobbies give us immense pleasure. It makes our life happy and more interesting. C, what is philately? What difficulties would you face if you take up philately? Answer, the collecting and study of stamps are called philately. The difficulties that one may face after taking up philately include its fragility, its decreasing demand among the people due to the advancement of technology, the decline in its value, etc. D, what is Irfan's hobby? What does he likes to do? Answer, Irfan's hobby is painting. He likes to sit and paint landscapes. E, name a few indoor hobbies and outdoor hobbies. Answer, list of indoor hobbies. Number 1, collecting stamps and coin. Number 2, listening to music. And number 3, read books. List of outdoor hobbies. Number 1, gardening. Number 2, traveling. Number 3, swimming. Number 4, trekking. And number 5, photography. F number question to hoise, what is a kitchen garden? Answer, kitchen garden is a small area of ground or part of a garden where you grow vegetables and fruits for your own use. E, every morning I water the plants and clean the beds. What does beds mean here? Here beds means an area of ground typically in a garden where flowers and plants are grown. Number 2, question 2 hoise, a synonym is a word that has the same or nearly the same meaning as another word. For example, happy and joyful. From the box below, choose the words which are synonyms of the given words and write each synonym next to the word in the blanks below. So, answer to hoise A, joy, pleasure and happiness. B, beautiful, lovely and pretty. C, active, energetic and sporty. D, leisure, free time or spare time. E, start, begin and launch. F, develop, evolve and grow. 3 question, look at the pictures of objects given below. Each object is related to an activity. Write the names of the object and the related activity in the space provided. First was a guitar, singing, bat, playing, cycle, riding, pen, writing, book, reading, boat, sailing. Next, 5 number question to hoise, Parvin's hobby is baking. Fill in the blanks in the paragraph below with the words that rhyme with bake, such as shake. Zuri said to Parveen, "Please tell me how to bake a cake." Parveen replied, "Preheat the oven to 350 degrees and gather all the ingredients you need to bake a cake. Take 2 cups of flour, 4 eggs, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup butter or oil, 1 teaspoon baking powder and vanilla essence. You will need a cake pan and a sieve too. Put the flour and baking powder into the sieve. Shake the sieve to remove lumps if any. Cream the butter and sugar. Add a few drops of vanilla essence. Take care to make the mixture light and creamy. Beat in the eggs and shake them one at a time. Add the dry mixture to the wet mixture little by little. Don't forget to grease the cake pan and dust it with flour. Then take the smooth mixture and pour it into the pan. Place the mixture in the oven till your cake turns golden brown. Okay, that's all for today. And thank you for watching. সকলে যাতে মোক সাপোর্ট কৰে, যেহেতুকে মই এই চেনেলটো নতুনকৈ খুলিছোঁ, আপোনালোকে যদি মোক সহায় সহযোগ কৰে তেতিয়াহ'লে মই আৰু অলপ আগবাঢ়িব পাৰিম। আশা কৰোঁ আপোনালোকে মোক আগবাঢ়ি যোৱাত সহায় কৰিব। And thank you so much.